back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Yesterday, I did a video all about customer service jobs. So today, those of you who are not interested in customer service, I am doing a video for you. These are going to be non-phone work from home jobs, data entry jobs that are hiring right now. As always, the links to all the pages that I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. I real quickly just want to say, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs. And what I do is I make daily videos bringing fresh job leads to you. So just know that some of these can go quickly. Doesn't necessarily mean that they're a scam if they're not still up when you click on them. As always, if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with anyone you know who could benefit from these. But without wasting any more time, first up, we have the company JLL, also known as Joe's Lang LaSalle. They have 9,600 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating. They are looking for a remote work from home reliability data clerk. Now, all of these positions that I'm sharing today are going to be for the United States only. But JLL is helping shape the future of real estate for a better world, combining world-class service, advisory, and technology for their real estate clients. They are looking for somebody to be responsible for reviewing and updating their asset validation data collected in the field. So you will perform quality assurance on any data that is in the system, making any corrections to any errors that you find, ensuring that it is accurate and consistent. You'll provide real-time feedback to the frontline employees and your supervisor to improve the quality and consistency of the data collected, and you'll assist with the methods to gather the asset data and perform asset validation. You'll brainstorm improvements to the process, including engineering controls to enhance that data quality. Now, while they are not requiring any kind of college degree, they are looking for somebody who has 5 years experience with data entry or data analysis, someone who can use those Microsoft Office suite products like Word, Excel, Outlook, someone who has the ability to read, comprehend, and apply information from technology manuals or other reference materials. So you got to have strong organizational skills and be a multitasker. Now, they note that the compensation for this position is $20,000 a year all the way up to $50,000 a year. I really hope they're paying in that $40,000 and $50,000 range. They do offer a standard benefit package that includes a 401k, paid time off, all the things. Next up, we have the company Conduent. Conduent hires a lot of remote work from home positions. They often have data entry positions open as well as other positions. I share them quite a bit on this channel because they're one of the companies that doesn't hardly ever require a lot of experience, and they are hiring again in that data entry realm. They have 8,900 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.1 out of 5-star rating, and they are looking for a data entry person. Now, please note this is going to be a second shift position. They're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. They do provide benefits, but they're paying $14.50 an hour. But this is going to be straight basic data entry. You're going to receive, process, and ensure document classifications are completed and transmitted to the clients. You may have to do outbound correspondence, receiving documents, both electronic and hard copy forms for processing. You'll sort, image, document files, and archive these files in the computer system by form type, identifying any documents and their purpose, creating that database of information. So you're going to classify these documents based on the contract requirements and the client requirements, verifying any data from the automated data extraction tools. Now, other than being able to type 40 words or more a minute, they don't really require a whole lot. They want somebody who can be a problem solver, be analytical, and just follow standardized procedures and practices and policies. That is it. They don't really have any experience requirements. Moving right along though, next up we have the company Bureau Veritas. They have 3,600 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.5 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a client delivery specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States. Now, this company is a world leader in testing, inspection, and certification services. They are basically looking for somebody to review, format, and make corrections in Word, Adobe PDF, or Excel to produce quality reporting for the clients. Please note that even though they're hiring within the United States, they're looking for somebody to work 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. So again, this is going to be an off-shift position, but you'll be reviewing reports and matching those production instructions for the special client requirements, correcting the text formatting, graphics, spreadsheets, resizing documents, or other files appropriate for that final report. So you're going to have to use different programs like Queer, Narratives, database utilities, ProTrack, things like that. It says you'll have complete training on those programs. You'll have to send emails to SEC, TRR, and the program manager, performing any self-checks according to the quality control protocol. So you're basically just going to be working with a bunch of documents and finalizing them and getting them ready for an actual report out to the company. Now, they're only requiring a high school diploma or GED for this position. While some colleges always preferred, it is not required. You do need the ability to write reports or business correspondence, so great communication skills, specifically in writing and grammar. You need great time management skills, critical thinking and problem solving skills, and someone who can have the ability to successfully work remote. So you've got to be self-starter. Now, unfortunately for this position, they did not list pay. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. So pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. It wouldn't be me if I didn't throw a healthcare position in here. SCA Health has 390 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for an associate billing representative clerk. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. Now, $25 an hour is going to be about $1,000 a week, and any of these positions that pay about $50,000 a year is going to get you close. There's 52 weeks in a year. But it says SCA Health is part of Optum, and they are participating in a care delivery system that is going to enable them to support their partners as they navigate this complex healthcare environment that we're in. So they are looking for somebody to help them by taking those coded patient visits, entering those charges into the system, submitting the claim out to the insurance company, and work on any rejections that they may receive from the insurance company. For whatever reason, if the insurance company rejects it and doesn't pay it, you've got to follow up and get them to change their mind. This means you're going to be pulling information from the system, entering the charges, making any adjustments, utilizing those internal databases. You'll prepare and complete these claims for commercial insurance companies. You'll complete those billing rejections and corrections as needed. So if the insurance company tells you they didn't like the way something was billed, you'll have to correct that and resend it out. So just complete following up and sending claims out to insurance companies. Most of that is completely done online these days through electronic portals. Of course, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of medical billing experience. They want somebody who can work with those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Outlook, Excel, and someone who understands medical terminology. Now, pay for this position, again, is $16 to $25 an hour. If healthcare is not your thing, though, that's okay. Maybe you're great at social media. The company Kooth has 106 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.5 out of 5-star rating, and they are looking for a social media associate. Now, this is going to be full-time remote. They are preferring an associate's degree, but this is the only one that I'm sharing that really even wants kind of like a degree. But Kooth is a fast-growing business with a social purpose. They have 20 years of successful services in the UK, and they're trying now to expand to the United States. But they're looking for somebody to assist in the creation of a robust growth strategy for their US social media channels. You're going to review, test, and improve their social media strategy, so you'll create engaging daily content for their channels and user profiles, creating that calendar that aligns with their marketing and engagement campaigns, and staying on top of the latest social media trends and mental health news so that you can create create timely content for their channels. You'll have to also use analytical and reporting tools to see if the social media strategy is working and pivot anything that is not working. Now, again, they are looking for an associate degree in a related field. It does say, though, they'll take equivalent education and experience combination over that. They want 2 years of experience in some kind of marketing or social media, great understanding of social media channels and best practices. Of course, you have to have great writing skills, copywriting skills, someone who can grow that social media following. You have to know how to use the Adobe Creative Suite so that you can create this content that you are posting and know how to use video editing tools. So not only are you going to be posting on the platforms, you're actually going to have to be creating the content as well. Now, they do pay up to $50,000 a year. Again, that gets you close to $1,000 a week. And they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do keep a running list of those and keep my eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.